Hi guys, I'm Johnny and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a very delicious whole roasted chicken with potatoes. So Thanksgiving is around the corner and a lot of us are not gonna be having a lot of crowd and a lot of people don't eat turkey. So I think this is a perfect meal to have on your table for Thanksgiving or any occasion really. It is so delicious and I know you will love it. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with our seasoning mixture. So in this bowl, I have some softened butter. Into that butter, I'm going to add some dry oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, zest of 1 lemon, and my homemade sofrito. So this is a mixture of vegetable and garlic that I make. I will give you the recipe in the description box. It is so delicious. I use it to make rice, chicken, fish, anything. It is great to season all your food and it's a staple in my house. So I'm gonna give you the recipe in the description box, but if you don't have that, you can omit it, but it really makes a big difference. It is so delicious. So you're going to mix that all together and set it aside until you're ready to use it. So let's talk about the chicken. So here I have a whole chicken that I removed the spine and I rinse it really well and pat it dry. So the reason I like to remove the spine, first of all, because I like the look of the chicken like that. Also because it cooks faster and it cooks evenly. I just love it like this. So with your hands, what you want to do is break the breastbone, it's like you're doing CPR, just like that until it flattens. Now that the chicken is nice and flat like that, you're going to massage the butter mixture under the skin of the chicken and all over the chicken. Inside, outside, everywhere. Make sure you use all this mixture to season your chicken really well. So you can bake your chicken just like that, but I want to make this a complete meal, so I'm gonna add some potatoes. You can also add some other vegetable like carrots, any vegetable you like, but I want to use potatoes. So in this roasting pan, I have some potatoes that I cut up into uneven pieces really. So I'm gonna add some olive oil, salt and pepper, and dry rosemary. I'm gonna use my hands and I'm gonna massage everything until it's well combined. I'm gonna place my chicken on top of the potatoes. I'm gonna tuck in the wings so it doesn't burn in the oven. So we're gonna bake this chicken at a 400 Fahrenheit for 1 hour and 40 minutes. Or until the chicken is nice and golden brown and cooked inside. I actually baked mine for 2 hours because I really wanted to have a deeper brown color. Once the chicken is baked, you're gonna take it out of the oven and you're going to let it rest for about 10 minutes. After that, just cut it up and enjoy. This chicken, it is so flavorful, it is so moist, and I know you will love it. The recipe will be written in the description box. I really wanted to try on camera, but it was gone within minutes. So I hope you try it, let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye.